Okay, so today we're gonna solve exercise number 2 of chapter 2, page 77. A company has determined that its annual profit is typically 23% of total sales. Design a program that asks the user to enter the projected amount of total sales and then display the profit that will be made from that amount. They give us a hint, which is use the value 0.23 as representing 23% error. So first thing that we're gonna do is define the main menu, which is gonna be total sales. Then we're gonna use our first variable, which is gonna be sales. This time we're gonna use an input. That means that we're gonna enter a number that is gonna be stored in this variable here. So we need to let the computer know that we're gonna put a number here. The way that we do that is we put float, then input, and then we put whatever we want to let the user know what they need to enter, which is please. So after that, we're gonna use our first constant, which is gonna be 0.23. So we're gonna name it profit equal 0.23, and this will be our first calculation also. So it's gonna be times sales. And it's times sales because since we store already here the number that we're gonna use to times the 0.23, we can use sales, and it's the same as the number. The number is inside of sales. So we're gonna print to see how it looks. Last, we're going to call the function. So let's say that we made $500 and our profit is going to be $115. So today we learned what was a constant, which was this one right here, the profit. That's our constant, which is equal to 0.23. We learned how to let the computer know that we're gonna store a number in our variable, which was using the term float, and we make a mathematical calculation, putting just 0.23 times cells, because remember that cells has a number inside. It has the 500 that we enter, so that's why we can calculate 0.23 times cells, and it's going to give you a number. So thanks for watching. If you want to ask any questions about what I did that you don't understand, just please write it on the comment. I will respond to it. Thank you.